I've completely switched to open-ear headphones, specifically the sound or AeroClips. These things are game changers, and today I'm breaking down exactly why they might be the last pair of headphones you ever need. But first, if you're into tech that actually solves real problems, hit that subscribe button and drop a like. It helps more than you think. Now, let's talk headphone types. Most people only know 3 categories: over-ear, big cups that cover your whole ear; on-ear, smaller pads that press against your ears; and in-ear, like AirPods that jam sound straight into your ear canal. But there's a 4th category that's been gaining serious traction: open-ear headphones. Instead of blocking your ear or sealing it off, these sit outside your ear canal, letting you hear your surroundings naturally. The AeroClips take this concept and make it actually stylish. They clip onto your earlobe like a piece of tech jewelry, and the first time you put them on, you'll be shocked at how comfortable they are. Weighing just 5.9 grams, they're so light you forget they're there. The hinge adjusts to fit any ear shape, and if you've got smaller ears, they include soft silicone sleeves for a perfect fit. But comfort isn't the only win here. Open-ear headphones solve a major social problem. With regular earbuds, people can't tell if you're listening to music or just ignoring them. It's awkward for everyone. But with the AeroClips, your ears are visibly open, so people know you can still hear them. No more waving hands in your face to get your attention. And if you wear glasses, these are a dream. Unlike over-ear headphones that press your frames into your skull or in-ears that fight for space, the AeroClips just hang out on your earlobe. Same goes for hats and caps, zero interference. Now, let's talk sound quality. Physics says open-ear headphones can't match the bass punch of in-ears since the speakers aren't sealed in your ear canal. But Soundcore's tuning here is impressive. The audio is crisp, vocals are clear, and there's enough low end to keep things engaging. I've tested a lot of open-ear models, and these outperform older Shox headphones by a noticeable margin. Bose's ultra-open earbuds do sound slightly better, but they cost twice as much. And honestly, their microphone quality is shockingly bad. I did a side-by-side test, and the difference is night and day. The AeroClips mics are way clearer for calls and voice commands. Durability is another win. In-earbuds love to fall out at the worst possible moment. But the AeroClips? They stay put. I've worn them running, lifting weights, even in light rain, not a single slip. The grip is so secure, I've actually forgotten I was wearing them mid-conversation. Battery life is solid too. You get about 8 hours on a single charge, and the case holds an extra 22 hours. That's 30 hours total, which means you can go days without needing a recharge. Now, are they perfect? No. If you're a basshead or need noise cancellation for flights, you'll still want over-ears. But for everyday use, walking, working out, these are a revelation. No ear fatigue, no bacteria buildup, and no social awkwardness. So, ready to try open-ear audio? Check the links below for the best deals. And if this review helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.